In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page in Mailerlite. First, sign into your Mailerlite account the same way you normally do. Once you're in, head straight to the Sites section. You'll land on the Landing Pages tab automatically, which is exactly where we want to be to get started. Next, click the New Site button, and this opens the setup flow for your landing page. You'll be asked to give your landing page a name. Choose something descriptive that will help you recognize it later, especially if you plan to create multiple pages. When you're happy with the name, click Save and continue to lock that in and move forward. Now you'll choose a group for your landing page. This is important. The group determines where new subscribers from this landing page will be added in your audience. If you already use groups for different segments or campaigns, pick the one that matches your goal. If you're just getting started, choose a general group you can organize later. Once selected, click Continue. Next, decide how you want to build your landing page. You have two options. If you're on an advanced plan, you can use Build with AI. This option asks a few quick questions about your goals and content, then generates a complete landing page for you using artificial intelligence. It's a fast way to get a polished starting point. You can regenerate to explore different looks, and you can edit everything, the text, the layout, and the images, right in the editor. If you don't see the AI option, your plan may not include it, and that's totally fine. Your second option is start from scratch using the drag and drop editor. This is great if you want full creative control. You'll drag in blocks like headlines, images, forms, and buttons, then customize colors, fonts, and spacing to match your brand. The editor is visual, so you'll see changes in real time as you build. Whichever path you choose, keep a few best practices in mind. Make your headline clear and benefit-driven, add a concise description that tells visitors what they'll get, and place your sign-up form in a prominent spot. Use imagery that supports your message and keep the layout clean so it's easy to scan. As you edit, preview your page to make sure it looks good on both desktop and mobile. That's it. You've created the foundation for a landing page in Mailerlite, chosen where your new subscribers will go, and picked the building method that fits your workflow. Now you're ready to customize and refine it for your next campaign.